chillax, just be like this. It's like, hey besties, and welcome back to my little corner of the internet of creative chaos. I just first want to apologize for the lighting. It is winter time, so it gets darker now, and you never know when it's going to be lighting or shade. So if it looks a little darker, that's why I do apologize. So if you remember, I made part one of my crocheted fashion, and I made this skirt, which was really cute. Fits me very well, but I still needed a top to go with it. So in today's video, we're going to create a top to go with this skirt, and hopefully it just matches and it's right and it just works together. So let's get into it. Okay, so for my tops, I'm kind of thinking of 3 different patterns. Of course, they're all by Shyler. She's amazing. I love all of her work, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do because like it's not small, and I don't want it to like feel uncomfortable, and I also don't want it to like have any like oopsie daisy moments, you know. But right now I'm gonna do what is considered her easy one. Hopefully it is actually easy, because a lot of these videos I see them making it, they're like going super fast, and I've been crocheting for a long time, but I'm still a really slow crocheter. Let's get started with that shirt, and hopefully it looks nice with our skirt, because again, I wanted it to go together. So hopefully, like I said, they work together. She said to do a chain of 36, and this will be like the length of our top and when it's stretched. So if it needs to be longer, then make it longer. If it needs to be shorter, then make it shorter. So I'm gonna test it out. Yeah, no, that needs to be way longer. So let's make it longer. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, let's see. So maybe it's too long. Yeah, I feel like this is too long now. It's not this way, it's this way. Like how big the shirt is this way. So I'm going to detach? What's the word I'm looking for? I'm just gonna take away some chains. For some reason my mic cut out, but all I was saying that now I have my chain, I'm gonna start on the main body part. Y'all, this has to be the easiest pattern I've ever made in my life. She literally said we're doing the same exact stitch to the end. So no increases, no decreases. I'm literally about to sit here, put on a movie, chillax, just be like this. I will get back to you guys when we finish my length. She said the bust -4. I'm not telling you what that size is, but just know it will be done by the time we get to the next part. Okay, I have finally finished all the rows I needed to complete to do this pattern. Now we're gonna attach it together and then add the straps, and I think we're gonna be done. So I cannot wait to finish this. It's been a long time coming. Hey, editing me here. So I forgot to mention that when I was doing the shirt, I accidentally made it way too long. That's why you see me working on 2 days. I would have finished it in 1 if I had correct measuring tape, and not have made it a whole like foot longer than I was supposed to. Yeah, I made it a foot longer. So that's why I had to literally undo everything, and it was annoying. But yeah, I just felt like I had to mention that. Okay, let's get back to it. As you may have been able to tell, we have switched to the floor. The pattern she like starts to do stuff. I don't know. It seems a little complicated. Not complicated, but like it's about like folding and everything. Hopefully I didn't just get on the floor for nothing, because I like the couch. The couch is muy comfortable. It did not in fact matter that I worked on the floor, because she just undid everything she just did right now. So I literally have no idea what that means. Where are you putting them? I'm like so confused right now. Where the heck does it go? I'm good. I said I'm doing good. I'm good. I'm good. I said I'm doing good, doing good, doing good, doing good, doing good. So this is the entire outfit put together. I even decided to make a little hat because I felt like it would match with it's kind of like a little Oreo. You got the white with the hat with the white ruffles, the skirt with the white ruffles, and like the blue in the middle feels like a little Oreo. Again, Shyler, Sailor. Oh, one of those were correct. She eats with her patterns. Like these two are her patterns. And I did lengthen, like I said before, in my skirt video. If you haven't seen that, make sure to go check it out. I know we're at the end, but still. I literally, I think I did a good job just for my comfortability with the skirt option. And I think the shirt, it was really easy to make. It came out really nice. And just like the skirt, it is very breathable and everything. I do think that like if there was a way to connect the two, I think this would make a really cute dress, like a little like mini maxi. I don't know what length that would be. I just really wear long dresses or like sundresses. So I don't know what this would be, but I think it'd be a cute little dress moment. But I do want to try making another shirt and another skirt and see how that works. So maybe you'll see that in the future. I don't know. So like I said before, I really love how this outfit came together. It looks really cute. I'm really happy I made the hat to go with it. I feel like it really just brings it all together. It gives a little bit of je ne sais quoi. Yeah. So if you like today's video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you guys can get notified every time a new video comes out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below of my outfit. If you guys like this video, just anything, just talk to me. If you really just need to talk, I'm here for you. Okay. Other than that, thank you guys for hanging out with me, besties, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. See you next time. Mwah!